In the rush of early morning, when the red burns through the grey, and the wintry world lies waiting for the glory of the day, then we hear a fitful rustling just without upon the stair. See two small white phantoms coming, catch the gleam of sunny hair. Are they Christmas fairies stealing rows of little socks to fill? Are they angels floating hither with their message of goodwill? What sweet spell are these elves weaving as like larks they chirp and sing? Are these palms of peace from heaven that these lovely spirits bring? Rosy feet upon the threshold, eager faces peeping through. With the first red ray of sunshine, chanting cherubs come in view. Mistletoe and gleaming holly, symbols of a blessed day, in their chubby hands they carry, streaming all along the way. Well we know them, never weary of this innocent surprise, waiting, watching, listening, always with full hearts and tender eyes. While our little household angels, white and golden in the sun, greet us with the sweet old welcome, Merry Christmas, everyone. Cold and wintry is the sky, bitter winds go whistling by. Orchard boughs are bare and dry, yet here stands a faithful tree. Household fairies kind and dear, with loving magic none can fear, bade it rise and blossom here, little friends, for you and me. Come and gather as they fall, shining gifts for great and small. Santa Claus remembers all when he comes with goodies piled. Corn and candy, apples red, sugar horses, gingerbread. Babies who are never fed are handing here for every child. Shake the boughs and down they come, better fruit than peach or plum, 'tis our little harvest home. For though frosts the flowers kill, though birds depart and squirrels sleep, though snows may gather cold and deep, little folks their sunshine keep, and mother love makes summer still. Gathered in a smiling ring, lightly dance and gaily sing, still at heart remembering the sweet story all should know of the little child whose birth has made this day throughout the earth a festival for childish mirth since the first Christmas long ago.